Hi, you guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about another baby toy. We're going to be talking about Battat little bath toys for kids. So if you guys would like some more information on Battat childhood bath toys, please be sure to check my video description for more information. So if you guys have kids and you constantly put toys like in their like bath toys in their bathtub, you'll notice that a lot of them will get moldy after a while, and then you'll have to go ahead and throw them out. You do want to dry them thoroughly like after each use, but sometimes the mold just kind of builds up, or sometimes you forget. I know, like after bath time, sometimes I'm tired and I'm not as thorough with the cleaning. I'll kind of leave them like sitting in the bathtub after the water's drained, and that can cause like a mold buildup. Luckily, they're inexpensive, so if you do have to like purchase another and toss them after a while, it's not really a big deal, but you just want to make sure you're drying them after. So Battat, their slogan is childhood is magical. Tells you on here they're good for water and sand, so these are also good for the beach. For me personally, I wouldn't bring these to the beach because then they wouldn't come home. They would probably get lost in the ocean. Tells you every bubble, every fly, every hop, every skip, every let's pretend, every one more time. This is the magic we work hard to craft into every Battat toy. Go ahead, hold me to your ear. You can hear a starfish giggle. So cute. So it tells you on the back here, like the little bath buddies that it comes with. So at the top you could see there's a horse, a pelican, a pig, and I think that's like a little bear. So swirl, squeeze, squirt, float. So you can, you can push them in and squeeze them. Water will fill them, and then the water will spray out of their spout. So that's super fun for the kids. And then we have some more toys. We have the octopus, alligator, whale, dolphin, and turtle. So like we have like little ocean creatures and farm creatures, which I love. So they just have a caution warning on here. It just says never leave your child unattended in water for even the shortest time, of course. Adult supervision is always recommended during water play, only to be used in water where the depth is appropriate for the child. Please empty toy of all water after each use. And that's like that's because of the mold situation that I told you guys about. So they have the little tag on here. I like that everything is like a super bright color, and it comes in this little plastic tin. So if you wanted to, you could, clean them with hot soapy water and then dry them after each use and store them back in here, especially because if you have kids, you have a lot of toys and stuff like that, and you definitely, run out of space after a while. So it's good to have a nice storage container for stuff. So this is the pelican. So they're like a nice like rubbery material. So you would squeeze it in the water, and underneath the water, it would fill up with water, and then squeeze it and you would squirt the water out. Super fun for kids. My son's still kind of learning how to like squeeze them, but he definitely loves to play with these in the bathtub and like throw them all over the place. And then if you guys want to, you can bring them to the beach and stuff. Everything's a super fun color. Every little thing in here is so cute. My son loves these. And honestly, if you wanted to, you don't even have to put them in the bathtub. They could play with them outside of the bathtub. They're inexpensive, bright, fun colors, great for learning, especially like if they're learning animals. I love animals, so I love when anyone gets me like a gift for them that has like animals in it. I feel like that's why I have so much animal stuff. And of course I buy it on my own too, but when the kids, I have two boys, when they happen to get toys, they're usually like animal toys, because I like to teach them. So you could teach your kids, alligator, dolphin, pelican, turtle. They love them because they're fun, and like they could splash around with them. Super fun. And this is a unisex item as well, which is great. So if you have a girl or boy, they'll definitely appreciate this and love these. And I just love the bright colors. So pretty. And the colors they don't come out like after a while. They don't run. They actually stay nice and bright. So guys, this is my video for Battat bath time toys for babies. I hope that you guys found my video useful. Comes with all these different great items. Again, this is the back. Great for your little ones. There's 5 little ocean creatures, and then there's 4, I would say these are like farm creatures. So 9 little toys all together, bright fun colors, makes a great gift, or just a great item if you need something for the beach, like a toy for the beach or the bathtub. So I thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you found it useful. And if you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everyone. Hope you all have a wonderful day.